The bees sneeze. The bees sneeze. On Turtletop Hill, thickly big, grew beautiful groves of the turtletop fig. One day, a lorikeet swooped for feed, flew far away, and pooped out a seed. The seed hit the ground in Willowwamp Wood near Crocodile Swamp, where the soil was good. Soon from a seed grew a tiniest plump of a shoot, then a plant, then a turtletop bloom. Buzzy McBee was busy on high. The lovely new flower attracted her eye. "My," said Buzz with a loop-de-loo flip, "I'll zip right down for the nectary nip." Buzzy McBee sipped from the bloom, but soon the turtletop's sweet perfume puffled and prickled a teasy sneeze. "Uh-oh," cried Buzzy McBee, "I smell a whiff, a ticklish sniff. I'll squeeze the sneeze inside." So Buzzy McBee wobbled her knees, but still that teasy sneeze came breezing. Jiggling and joggling like kids at the zoo, it grew till it blew with a loud "Achoo!" Rumble tumble, head over end, Buzzy McBee bumped into a friend. "Bless you," said Monkey Mix. "Thank you," said Buzzy, "but help me please to shift this flower that's making me sneeze." "Sure," said Monkey, and dug out the bloom, but soon the turtletop's sweet perfume swirled and curled a teasy sneeze. "Uh-oh," cried Monkey Mince, "I smell a whiff, a ticklish sniff. I'll squeeze the squeeze inside." Monkey Mince winked and blinked. Buzzy McBee wobbled her knees, but still that teasy sniff kept breathing. Bubbling and boiling like Bushman's brew, it grew till it blew with a loud "Achoo!" Bumbling backwards, Monkey and Buzz landed kerploof on a friend full of fuzz. "Bless you," said Barefoot Bear. "Thank you," said Monkey, "but help us please to carry this flower that's making us sneeze." "Sure," said Barefoot, tooting the bloom, but soon the turtletop's sweet perfume wafted and whirled a teasy sneeze. "Uh-oh," cried Barefoot Bear, "I smell a whiff, a ticklish sniff. I'll squeeze the squeeze inside." Barefoot Bear pulled on his hair. Monkey Mix winked and blinked. Buzzy McBee wobbled her knees, but still that teasy sneeze came breezing like ants in the plant of a kangaroo. It grew till it blew with a loud "Achoo!" Jumbled about in a roly-poly romp, the friends went tumbling down to a swamp. "Bless you," said greedy Crocodile. "Crocodiles, thank you, but help us please to ferry this flower that's making us sneeze." "Sure," said Crocodile, "hop on my back. I'll have you across the swamp, quick quack." But Lizzie Malou was curled on the rock. She stirred when she heard the words of the croc. "Stop," said Lizzie, "watch out, have fear. He'll gobble you all, but here's an idea. Let's make a turn and swing in a line over the swamp like riding a vine." So linking with Lily, they swam with the bloom, but soon the turtletop's sweet perfume wheezed and tweezed a sneezing, teasy sneeze. "Uh-oh," cried Lizzie Malou, "now I smell a whiff, a ticklish sniff. I'll squeeze the sneeze inside." Lizzie Malou turned herself blue. Barefoot Bear pulled on his hair. Monkey Mince winked and blinked. Buzzy McBee wobbled her knees, but still that teasy sneeze came breathing. Crocodile grinned. "There's naught you can do. That sneeze will explode. Just wait." "Achoo!" Hungrily watching them fall flat, Crocodile opened his mouth and snap. Buzzy McBee, Monument Besides, Barefoot Bear and Lizzie Malou were swallowed up whole in one gulp too. Yum, hum, crowed Smile, but soon from deep inside that turtle-tough bloom prickled and tickled a teasy sneeze like a fearsome volcano that fizzled and grew until it slowed and blew. Achoo! Out came the friends and the turtle-tough too. Buzzy, Lizzie, Monkey and Bear were mighty glad to be out in fresh air. They romped from the swamp with a zip and a stomp, while a crocodile gave them a glowering glare. And what of the bloom that was thrown to the sky? 'Twas caught by a lorikeet flying by. It slipped from a church over Turtle Hill, landing roots down, and it's growing there still.